going on, everybody? Long time no see. We've been busy though. We went and got my youngest son. He moved back with us. He's gonna be helping out here and there. But let me turn you around. We tore down that back wall. I don't think you guys see me do that one over there, that wall, but that wall is done outside, inside, outside. We tore down that wall there. We also tore down this wall here, and yeah, that right there, that's the siding. So uncovering some more tomfoolery, but we're going to get this stuff cleaned up and get the dumpster full so we can get that out of here. And then it's pretty wet outside, so, and it's supposed to rain tonight, like a lot, so we'll figure something out to do in here, but we'll throw you on time lapse and we'll get to work. You have anything to say?
I don't.
Look at them boots. Those are some fancy boots. Alright, we're gonna go to work. Alright, so we got it cleaned up. Dumpster's about 90% full. Like I said, it's gonna rain tonight, so it's supposed to rain like 1.5 inches, so we're not gonna tear this wall down. That's the only wall we have left for the exterior stuff. So we're going to do some of these interior walls that we can do today, and that way we can kind of teach Boog what's going on. Teach him not to do stuff like that. Good morning, everybody. Well, we got the outside stripped down, and now we're going to start building up these 2x4s on the inside, getting this window framed in here, getting the header on there, and moving along this way so we can start sheathing this thing. We got a couple days without rain, so we need to get it sheathed before then. Yeah, it's been a process with the stuff they had on the outside. It was tough to get off of there. But we're gonna throw you on time lapse, and we'll get after it.
There's dinner in the yard, out behind the cars. Tonight we're gonna do something different. I will make the things that I know how to make. You will make something more delicious. A sweet potato pie on a flimsy paper plate. Baby, I don't think it gets much better. There isn't much to keep. We lay down and fall asleep till the morning comes around to find love.
Well, good morning, everybody. Today is Sunday, the day that the video is supposed to be coming out, and we didn't finish it 100%, but let me turn you around. We did get the window in that one, and we got it sheathed. I would say, I don't know, 95%. We had run out of sheathing, so we had to go get more sheathing from Menards. So we'll get that done Monday. We'll finish that up, probably off camera. and get that window, the 2 windows in the office, and sheathing will be done. Let me take you inside so you guys can see what that looks like in there. It's a mess in here, so don't judge me. It's always a mess. Let me turn you guys around. So we got the new window in. We got 2x4s in at 16. We did get this side here done. The window's framed in. We got to get here's one of the windows over here. Oh wait, excuse me, that's not it. It's this one here. We got to get that one cleaned up. And then the other one is here. We got to get that one cleaned up. I just take them outside and spray them off with water hose and scrub them down and get all the caulk and everything off of them. Makes them look a lot better, and they seem to function a lot better afterwards. But we got that that fixed. We need to get the windows in. We'll probably do that Monday. And then I think what we're going to do is, while I got Boog here, and while he doesn't have a job, so he's free to help me, we're going to try to do as much of the demo as we can to get that taken care of. That's the ceilings. Here, I'll just take you through what we have left. We have the ceilings to do, which is going to be a mess. We all know how that's going to be. And then this fireplace has got to come down because that's our kitchen. Our kitchen is here. So that's got to come down. The ceiling's got to come down in here and in here. Most of everything is the ceilings that's left, and then roof, and I think all the demo will be done. But I guess stick around for that. You might enjoy some of that. I hate demo. I hate picking it up. It helps a lot with Boog here. He helps out a lot. But if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments, and I'll see you when I see you.